If you have a room booking panel and it doesn't have the GoBright app pre-installed, as this one doesn't, then it's quite straightforward to actually download the application itself. If you click on Browser, and you can then go out to the website install.gobright.cloud. That will take you off to Meet Work Visit Device, which is the software we need, and we can download the GoBright application itself. Once that's downloaded, we'll be able to run the application, and when the application is run, that will give you an activation code that you can pop into the GoBright portal itself. When the file's downloaded, then we can explore for the file, and we can go to the download section, and I can select the file, and we can then select install. We can then open the app, so we're just going to allow certain criteria. And we can go back, hitting the back button. If we had needed to change the time and date, then we've got that flexibility, but I can just confirm and reboot. And when I do reboot my device and the software loads, that's now going to give me the activation code that I can place in my software. And if you do need that further support, then the GoBright Help Centre has a document relating to the installation of the GoBright app on various devices. In this case, we've got the Pro DVX showing, but we've got the other platforms as well. So that's how we can start to load a GoBright application for a room booking panel when there isn't one pre-installed.